Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dan Coconati and today we're going to be taking a look at the song called Dance Dance by Fall Out Boy. Now the song is in standard tuning, so that means your strings are going to be E, A, D, G, B, and E. So get yourself tuned and then we're going to get started on this lesson. Alright, so let's take a look at Dance Dance by Fall Out Boy. So we're going to be starting off up here, alright, and that's 11 of the D, pull off, well, not really a pull off, actually, you're going to be picking all those. Right, so 11 of the D to 9 of the D, and then 9 of the A, so. Alright, and what I'm doing here to make it a little bit easier is I'm just barring the 9 and the 9 of the D and the A, all right? So we're doing that 2 times. So 11, 9, 9, 11, 9, 9. And then changes ever so slightly with, so then you're gonna hit your 12th fret of the D, and I'm just using my pinky finger right there. And then you go right back to that 9 of that A. So all together, okay, and this is palm muted, and that riff, exactly how we just showed it, is just going to be repeated. And they kind of play it throughout the entirety of the song there. There is a 2 guitar, situation with Dance Dance. So this is really more the lead guitar section. But I'm kind of trying to do this if you only have one guitarist, in the group, or if you're just, maybe playing at the house. So we're going to be looking at this from like a 1 guitar standpoint. Just trying to kind of lay it out with the melody, if you will, and then kind of capturing the chords. But all right, so let's just play that main riff there slowly. So again, that's 11, 9, 9, 11, 9, 9, 12, 9. All right, so let's do it slow. All right, so once you kind of get that, I think it actually ends right there, technically speaking, and then we kick it into that. If you want, you could play that chord in there real quick. I don't know if that's in the recording, but that really, it's just a, what is that, 7 fret power chord after that, right? And then we kind of get into this. So what do we got going for this little, it's kind of like a surf vibe riff. That's how I always interpreted it. I'm just picturing catching some waves because it's kind of a groove. All right, so what do we got going here? It's pretty easy actually. So it's 2nd fret, all right, of your A string 2 times. And then, so you're just grooving up. So 2 times on that 2nd fret of the A. And then 2 times, same string of that A, but now 4th fret, so, right? And then 2 times open of the D. Now 2 times of the 4th fret of the D. And then you go back to 2nd fret on the D. And then 1 on that 4th fret of the D string. So all together. And then there's a little rest. So that little transition, all that is it's kind of like a mute in a sense, and then you do 3 times on that 2nd fret. And then the riff quite literally repeats again, where it's the 2 times on the 2nd, and then 2 of the 4, open 2, 2 of that, 2, 1. Slight rest. Right? And that's really all you're doing. The timing's a little weird. I actually kind of still struggle. I don't play this too often, but let's try it together and hopefully we both can get our timing. But the notes are very basic. It's just, again, that 2nd fret up to that 4th fret, open then, 4th fret, 2nd, 4, right? So show here with the one finger. So on the final time that the riff is played there, you just end on that second fret though, and you're playing it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, right? But of course, to play it at a tempo, it's a lot quicker. So you got... right? All right, so here we go. Chorus chords, very basic stuff going on. So after we do that transition, we kind of just build that up, and we learned that just a second ago. That's that main riff of this song. So then we go into these chords. And these are really just open strums. You can play it, more with like a rhythm, if you will, to the song, but I'm just doing open strumming. Sounds fine to me. So what do we got here? So these are all power chords. So if you don't know what a power chord is, it's just your root and your fifth. All right, but I'm also going to be adding in that pinky note as well for all of these because it's a little bit more of a robust sound. So first power chord is going to be 2nd fret, all right? And that's on your A. And then if you don't know how to play a power chord, so that'd be a 2nd fret with the 4th fret then on that D, and then 4th fret of the G. And like I said, you're just strumming this for the majority, actually the whole chorus. So that's your first chord. So that shape now, we're gonna take that and just slide it on up to our 5th fret now. Same string, that A string. Now we're 5th, 7th, and 7th. Right, so it's just... Okay, now the shape, again, these fingers are all staying the same. The shape is not changing, but we're gonna just go down now to this lower string, and that's our E string. So now we're on this, our fat string, if you will. So now it's a 3rd fret power chord, so that's 3, 5, 5. All right, and then we go, so that shape, 3, 5, 5, now it's 2, 4, 4. Same shape. And then the final chord in that chorus part is just a little transitional chord that's back up on our A string. So 1st fret power chord of our A, and that's 1, 3, 3. Right? And that's our chorus chord. So let's just play it all together. We'll play it slowly so you can follow along. All right, so let's just take a look at our breakdown part, because if you caught that the song structure is just the same from that first verse to the second verse, you would be correct. So we don't need to teach those again, because that, that second verse is actually identical. Chorus chords are identical as well. So the only other thing that we got to teach is our bridge. So what do we got going here? We got this build-up section. So what are those first 2 notes of the build-up? We got us a power chord, 2nd fret of our A, and then 4 and a 4, that's the chord. And then we go into this, so that's an open now of our A, and then a 4th fret, and a 4th fret. So. And all I'm doing is I'm trying to just mute everything so you're only hearing these 3. That's kind of why, if you notice, I kind of rest my thumb to just make sure that that's getting muted. But that's the first 2. So 2nd fret power chord to that open 4/4. And then we go to this. So that's a 2nd, 5, and a 4 to make up that 3rd chord. And that's 2nd on the E, 5th of the A, and 4th of the D. And then the last chord, 3rd fret power chord now of our E. Okay, and that's again 3, 5, 5. That's your 3rd fret power chord. And then if you want, because I'm kind of showing the rhythm part here, there is a lead guitar that's playing a little something different, you know. Right, they're doing a little something different, but it's, you know, for simplicity's sake, we're just gonna be taking a look at those basic rhythm chords. But I do have the little lead, if you wanna add that in, or you could just continue playing those chords that we just went through though. Right, if you want, at the end, at the tail end of this, after you play that, so all that is you're just bending your 14th fret, basically on the G, and getting in your 12. So you got a 12, 14, but you're bending the 14. So 12 is the B and 14 is the G, and you're just bending that G. Okay, that's just if you want to add that sound in, but again, I'm kind of looking more at the rhythm section here, if you will. There is, again, 2 guitars layered. If you want, I would just recommend another tutorial to find the lead guitar spot for this bridge section. But again, let's play those chords really slowly, and then if you want to incorporate that little bend, we'll do that as well. So let's just play it slowly, but those are your chords. So here we go. Okay, so I did leave out one little bit there, so I kind of, excuse me, went into the, but there is this that I did want to point out. I apologize for not saying anything about that. All that is, though, is you're just playing your 16th fret right there of our D string, and you're just kind of building that up. That's, again, the lead guitar part, just building that. And then we go into our chorus. So apologies on that. If you want to add that, that is what you're doing right there. Thank you guys so much for checking out this guitar tutorial on Dance Dance by Fall Out Boy. If this helped you out and you're able to learn the song, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and be ready for more future guitar videos. Thanks.